Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024, 2023 BMW M5. In the realm of sport compact cars, the 2023 BMW M5 emerges as a true powerhouse, combining blistering performance with refined luxury and cutting-edge technology. As the latest iteration of BMW's iconic M5 lineup, the 2023 model reaffirms the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromise. Under the hood of the 2023 BMW M5 lies a formidable 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, generating an impressive 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, the M5 delivers breathtaking acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the M5 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its segment. But the M5 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver agile and precise handling. BMW's engineers have fine-tuned the M5's suspension, chassis, and aerodynamics to provide exceptional agility and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with ease. Whether navigating city streets or attacking the racetrack, the M5 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 BMW M5 exudes an aura of sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The M5's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by features such as 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and M-specific styling cues, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the M5 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like BMW's iDrive infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and wireless smartphone charging provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 BMW M5 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 BMW M5 represents the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and technology in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the M5 sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms BMW's commitment to delivering unparalleled driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or pushing the limits on the track, the M5 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.